Combinations and permutations can often be used to solve problems in a real-world environment and let us know how many different ways some happen. For example, if I have 6 children lined up for a race and I want to award prizes for just first and second place, so we'll keep it a little bit simple and just award a first and a second place, I want to know how many can complete this or how many different ways this could happen. Now the thing you have to realize is first and second place, a prize or a race implies that order matters. First place is different than second place. So we're going to be using a permutation. We have 6 children total and 2 are going to receive awards or prizes. So this is a permutation formula, recalling that our n value was the total number of children. So in this case, n was 6, and our r value was the number of children who were going to be chosen to win a prize. This 2 is 4. And I can write these factorials out. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 4 times 3 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now you may find it easy to go ahead and cancel what's on the top and the bottom the same, and in this case the 4, 3, 2, 1 cancels on the top and the bottom. This makes our math a lot easier, so that on the top we have 6 times 5 is 30 and there's nothing left on the bottom. There are 30 ways in which this can occur, or 2 children can be picked with order mattering to get 2 awards. Let's take a look at a bigger problem. If we have 150 people in a population, and I want to take a sample size of 4. Now, we'll assume I'm doing a survey or something like that, so it doesn't really matter what order I choose these people in. They're all going to answer my survey. But I want to take 150 people and choose 4 of them. Order doesn't matter. Well, if you were to write this formula out, you'd have 150 factorial over Hadley. Sorry, we have interruption from a 4-year-old. Alright, so if I was going to write this out, I'd have 150 factorial over my n minus r factorial, or 146 factorial over r factorial. Now, do you want to write this out, 150 all the way down to 1 multiplied? Probably not. This is going to be an extraordinarily large number. Even if you were to evaluate it using technology such as Excel, the number is going to be huge. So we're just going to leave this number as 150 choose 4 for simplicity reasons. And that will actually be our final answer because the value is so big at the end. We'll just leave it in its mathematical notation. Thanks for a great look at how to apply combinations and permutations.